Hello, Jodi here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I want to make a recipe that I've always wanted to make, which is whipped body butter. For years I've wanted to make whipped body butter. So today I'm actually finally going to give it a shot. So to start with, we need a 1/4 cup of cocoa butter. So you just kind of, let me grab some small pieces, sort of squeeze it in, kind of, it's a sort of a 1/4 cup. A 1/4 cup of shea butter. So there we go, 1/4 cup of shea butter. A 1/4 cup of almond oil. You could replace that with other oils such as grapeseed or jojoba, jojoba, however you want to say that. 1/3 cup of coconut oil. Again, you can replace that. I don't know what with at the top of my head. I can research that and leave a comment if I find an answer. Otherwise, if you know a good substitute for coconut oil, feel free to drop a comment below. Bonk, get off. Sticky. 30 ml of aloe vera gel. This is organic aloe vera gel. And this is one of the reasons why I like this recipe, is because it's got the aloe vera gel in it, and aloe vera gel is just so beautiful for the skin. Now we do 15 ml of glycerin. 1 teaspoon is 5 ml, so we'll do 2 more. So that's the standard recipe, the ingredients there. And now we heat this up in a bain-marie. So I shall put a pot of water on the stove and then put this on top without the bottom touching the water, and let that melt and amalgamate. And we'll come back to that and show you what that looks like in a little while. Okay, I'm back. The lotion has had 2 hours to chill. That being said, I did chill it twice because I got called away during the first chill, came back and it was too hard, so I had to re-soften it. And when I re-softened it, I kept it in the bain-marie on a low heat, cool enough that I could always touch the pan. If I can still touch the pan, I know it's not too hot. Then it mounted, I've reset it for 2 hours, and here we are. So now I'm going to beat it and we'll see how it looks. Fingers crossed. Oh, so that's interesting. Separate them. Okay, well it didn't look like it was going to, but it's actually gone a nice sort of white creamy consistency. Let's have a feel of that. It's I'd say it's very buttery. It melts into the skin. So this is the type of lotion, can you see that you'd use on probably your body, hence why it's a whipped body butter. Maybe not so much your hands, definitely not your face. You could probably do your décolletage and things because it's really enriching. Alright, so I also wanted to talk about additives. So I was thinking of adding some glitter. Well, in this case, shimmer, gold mica. So I'm going to add a splodge of that. I'm also going to do a scent. So this is a 1/4 teaspoon, 1.2 ml. So I'll give 1 ml of fragrance. Now that was lemon myrtle, and I'm going to mix the lemon myrtle so I can get the lid off with the pear. So that's 1.5 ml, sorry, 1 ml. Well, yes, 1.25 ml, but anyway, I've added a mil and some mica. We'll give it another mix and see how we go. Oh, it's hard. So you saw that, yeah? When you leave it, it sort of sets. Gets hard and then you have to rebeat it. That's really quite interesting. So I think that I would like to soften this, and I would do that by adding a soft butter. I think I would go with shea butter. I might try a little bit more of that. Soften it down again and just see what sort of consistency I get with that. I gave it a blend again. Now as you can see, the glitter really hasn't done much, but that being said, it's not going hard like it did before. So I'm going to try and bottle it now. I'll be putting it in little 50-gram jars. But what else did I want to say before I head off? I wanted to talk about the difference between the two hands as well. So this one's got none on it and this one's got the butter on it. And you can see that it's definitely more shiny. And if I put my hands out, you can see that it's less dry. This one looks more dry. This one's sort of more wrinkly as well, whereas this one here is bouncing back quite nicely, if you can see that. So anyway, there you go, whipped body butter. I've always wanted to make it. I finally have, yay. And I'll keep you updated on how it goes by leaving some comments myself. And if you want to give it a shot, let me know how you go. I always love to hear back from you. And thank you very much for watching.